Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I am your host James. Today, another simple and delicious cook. We are going to be doing a family size lasagna in the Ninja Speedi. And there are a couple of things that you need to do. I know it sounds simple, and it is, but there's a couple things we have to do to make sure that it works in there. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you're notified when my future videos come out. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so this is what we are doing today. So we've got Michelangelo's lasagna, family size. So this is, and here I took it out already, it's still frozen, rock solid, but it's 9 inches this way and about 7 inches this way, so it fits absolutely perfect into the Ninja. So before we get started, I just want to say a couple advantages of using the Ninja versus the oven. First of all, the oven's going to take you about 15 minutes or so to preheat. And number two, the cost of running your oven with all those elements is so much more expensive than using the Ninja. Okay, so we will set this aside. Now under here, I have a piece of tin foil. Now, the reason why you want to use tin foil, because I've tried this before without it, is the film that's on here, the fan inside the Ninja blows, on the function that we're going to use, it doesn't blow that hard, but it still blows hard enough to, after this starts getting hot, to suck this film off. And then it sucks right up into the fan. Now, it doesn't burn, but it doesn't cook the lasagna. So this is what you want to do. You have a piece of tin foil, okay? And we're going to cover this and make sure to, get it even, but pinch the sides. Get the tin foil right up in there so it's tight. Because you just basically all we're doing with this is just making sure that we are keeping that that film on. We don't want that to fall off. So if you try this without the tin foil, that film will come off and your lasagna will not get cooked. Alright, so we've got everything covered and that's basically it. So let's go ahead and go to the Ninja and I'll show you how to cook it. Alright, so now we're at the Ninja. The unit is not on. I'm just going to show you how to set this up. Very easy. Open this up, and then inside we have the little roaster rack inserts, and then obviously the pan at the bottom. So we are going to insert that in there. Now we're just going to grab our lasagna, and here it is, all its glory, and it fits absolutely perfect in there. Oh man, what a great, I think they designed this just for this lasagna. All right, let's show you the functions that we're going to be using. Close this thing up and turn the unit on. We are going to be over here, so not the rapid cook side, but over on the air fry stovetop side. We're going to go down to the bake function, temperature up to 400 degrees. Time, we're going to set it for 60 minutes. And then we will press, or an hour, 60 minutes, whatever, press start and let it roll. We'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, so it has been almost an hour. We got about 20 seconds left, so I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And we're going to use a thermometer to check the internal temperature of the lasagna here. Okay, so this is what we've got. And so I checked the temperature and we're looking good, but the last step is you just want to pull off the tin foil. And then along with that comes the, let me grab it here real quick. Comes right off really easy. And then the film, just take that film off also. And that comes right off. Oh yeah, and that thing is looking amazing. Looking good. Yes, all right. So from here, we want to just finish this off. We're actually going to add 10 minutes just to let it finish. We'll see you then. Okay, we set it for 10. We're gonna check it at the 3:30 mark and see how it's doing. So I'm just trying to crisp, oh yeah, trying to crisp that cheese up. And yes. And we'll just do one last internal temperature check. And we are good everywhere. All right, let's see, ooh, 181 over there. All right, so we are done. I'm gonna take this out and we will take a bite. All right, guys, so here is what we ended up with. I took out a big chunk. Look at all sides here, and delicious. Now, let's just take a bite. Get some of that cheese in there. And get oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start. I just want to dive down the middle, and it's still piping hot. You can see the steam, but it's still hot. So I'm taking a risk by taking a bite for you guys. So, ooh, cheese. Let's take a bite. I love lasagna. Now this is not going to be as good as my mom's lasagna, but it's the next best thing. I mean, it's good lasagna. You just stick it in there, give it an hour, take the top off, give it a few more minutes to kind of crisp up that top, and we're good to go. But that is delicious, awesome lasagna. Love it. Now obviously, I didn't make any garlic bread or anything, but garlic bread, any kind of bread, salad, anything to go with this. Amazing. Bon appetit. I will see you up top. Alright, so we are finished with the cook. And I just gotta say, simple and delicious. Now, whatever brand of lasagna you have, it doesn't matter. As long as it fits in to the Ninja Speedi, use that method. You know, give it an hour. Pop off the aluminum foil and the film. Give it an additional 10 minutes to crisp up the cheese and everything. And you're good to go. So, I mean, honestly, my favorite brand is Stouffer's, but it was really super expensive, and this was a little cheaper, so I decided to try this one. But they're both still delicious. So that's how you do a family-size frozen lasagna in the Ninja Speedi. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you like the content, hit that bell for notifications so you're notified when my future videos come out. Give a thumbs up. Drop an awesome comment. With that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.